Moosend Email Marketing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. All product links and helpful resources are included in the description below. Moosend is a user-friendly email marketing platform that's tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers who need powerful automation at an affordable price. With its drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, and advanced segmentation capabilities, Moosend makes it easy to design and send professional email campaigns. The platform offers an impressive set of automation tools, allowing you to create workflows that respond to user actions, such as email opens, clicks, and purchases. You can build welcome series, cart abandonment sequences, and re-engagement campaigns without needing to code, making it great for beginners. Moosend's real-time reporting features provide deep insights into your campaigns, such as open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates, giving you the data you need to optimize future efforts. It also supports A/B testing, making it simple to test subject lines, content, and send times for maximum engagement. The platform's e-commerce features are especially noteworthy, with integrations for Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, enabling automated emails based on customer activity like past purchases, new arrivals, and abandoned carts. One major strength of Moosend is its pricing, offering a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers and one of the most affordable paid plans in the market, providing excellent value for businesses on a budget. It also has an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who are new to email marketing. However, Moosend does have some limitations. While it excels in automation, its template library and design customization are not as diverse or flexible as some of its competitors like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Additionally, while support is responsive, there's no live chat on lower-tier plans, which could be a drawback for users who require immediate assistance. In conclusion, Moosend is an excellent choice for businesses looking for powerful email automation and affordable pricing. While it may not offer the same depth of features as more established platforms, its user-friendly interface, strong e-commerce integrations, and low-cost plans make it an appealing option for those looking to scale their email marketing with minimal hassle.